One summer's evening, a young princess was out for a stroll in the park. She held in her hand her favorite plaything, a golden ball. She was tossing the ball up in the air and as high as she could and waiting for the ball to fall to the ground. She threw the ball so high that the princess did not see where the ball had gone, but she heard a heavy splash coming from the nearby lake. Oh no, can't believe I lost my ball, wept the princess in despair. How am I going to tell my father that lost the precious gift he gave me? Would give anything to be able to get it back. A frog overhead. What had happened? Princess, would you like me to help you get the ball out of the lake? He asked kindly. Yes, yes, that would be lovely, clapped the princess happily. I will give you as many gems and diamonds as you ask for. But the frog shook his head. I don't want your treasure. It's of no use to me. What I ask is that you love me and let me live with you and eat from your plate and sleep in your bed. What a trouble idea, through the princess. I doubt that the nasty frog will ever be able to find my ball, and even if he did, he would not be able to come to visit me. The castle is too far for him. So she replied, yes, sure, just bring me my ball and will grant your wishes. The frog divided under the water, and soon his head popped out of the surface. Here you are, my queen, your ball, he said, and coming out of the lake, he rolled her golden ball towards her. The princess took her favorite plaything and ran toward the castle, overjoyed. She forgot she had promised the frog and left him calling after her, Princess, take me with you as you promised, but he never turned